Okay, you will have this template in Google Classroom, and it will give you some tips on different things that need to be added. I'm also going to make a video, but you can reference back to this page on information that you might need. So we're first going to open database and click on blank database. And then we're going to go to File, Save As, Save Database As. Again, if you're at home, I recommend you saving this to your desktop so it's easy for you to locate. So we're going to save it to desktop. You're going to name it your last name underscore APM1 and click Save. And then your name will show up here. Okay, so then we are going to first create a table. So go to Create Table. Remember, there are two views for your table, Datasheet View and Design View. You can also locate that here, Datasheet View and Design View. So first we're going to save it, and we're going to name our table. And you are going to name your table Account Manager. And then click OK. And then your name shows up. If you happen to misspell something, close it. You can go over here and rename it, adjust the name, double click on it, and it opens it back up. Now we're going to switch to Design View. You are first going to switch this auto text to short text. Make sure the primary key is selected. You're going to take out ID. And then you are going to fill in your data sheet. And it will look like this. So I'm going to, you can pause the video right now if you want and split your screen if you're capable of doing that at home. And then you can fill in the information that way. The information is also located on this page, so if it's easier for you to go back to this page instead of looking off the video screen, if the video is smaller, then you can click on the APM1 helper page and it has all the same information. Just make sure that you include all of the categories. Make sure that these are all short text. Start date is date and time, salary is currency, and bonus rate is number. Make sure that you have a description of primary key here. Again, to get these are drop down menus, so short text. Then you will go down to currency for the ones that you need currency, the one you need date and time. So make sure again that you get that filled out. So go ahead and pause the video and fill in your database. Okay, now that you have your database filled out, you're going to click on Account Manager Number. Make sure that you have this row selected. And then down here in the property, in the field properties, in field size, you're going to change it to 2. In caption to AM number sign or AM pound. Okay, again, that is also on the helper page. If you scroll down, there's a picture, and this is for the account manager number for this row, and you fill out the information down here. So go ahead and pause your video and fill that out. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the row bonus rate and make sure that this is a number. And then there's some information that needs to be filled out here. The field size will be single. These are drop down menus. Format will be fixed. And decimal place will be 2. Again, that's also on your helper page. This is for field bonus rate. So again, it's here. So pause the video and fill that out. Now that you have all of that information filled out, you want to go up here and click Save, or you can do File, Save. You want to make sure that you have that saved. And then we're going to switch to Datasheet View. Again, you can change the view here or here. And you notice that there is now your caption, AM pound. So if you accidentally put it in the wrong place, then it may show up somewhere else, and you need to go back into design view, make sure that you have the account manager number row selected and that caption is here. All right, so click back to data sheet view. You can scroll over and you should see salary is we set it up as a currency. It has 2 decimal places and bonus rate was set up. So you should already see those on your database. Okay, so now on your table in your database. And you're also not going to have all of these other files that I have. You haven't created those yet. Apologize if that has caused any confusion, but your database will only look like this right now because you haven't created everything else. All right, so now what you're going to do is you are going to, after you have everything filled out, you're going to open it in data sheet view, and using this page, you're going to fill out all of this information. No, it doesn't want to split. You're going to fill out all of this information here. Okay, so you will start here and start filling in. You can use the tab key. Okay, so you get, okay, and on the start date, you can pick from here, but you're gonna have to scroll all the way back to 2013. So I would just use your number keypad and fill this out. Okay, and then you'll scroll over, enter the salary, and the $sign and the decimals and commas won't show up until you click out of it. And then bonus rate. Okay, so then click save. And you're going to go back and fill out the other 3 people. These are records of people that work for this company, and we will use those later, so make sure that you get those filled out. And this is all that we covered in class on Wednesday. Again, there'll be another video added for Friday or for next Monday. If you don't see a video show up for Friday, that means that we are doing something different in class, like hanging up our name tags and setting up parent portals so we can check our grades. We also haven't completely finished this walkthrough that you just did in class because it was a short day on Wednesday. So again, if you don't see a video show up on Friday for access, then just know that we didn't do it in class on Friday and that you won't have an assignment for Friday if one doesn't show up in classroom, but you will have one on Monday and Tuesday. You'll have Monday and Tuesday. I'll have some more tutorial videos for you if you're at home. Again, send me an email if you get confused or get messed up, and I can give you a call and hopefully help you navigate to get your database fixed.